End of tenancy cleaning in flat 1502 in the prestigious Ontario Tower at Canary Wharf. This is the state of the flat before the clean. It's a studio flat, so the bed is not made. We need to put it up. This is the washing machine. The washing machine is dirty. This is the state of the seal. Hairs everywhere, limescale everywhere. I'm gonna pull it up once more. The drawer is full of mold, which we will completely clean. Dusty surfaces, dust balls and fur balls everywhere. Built-in wardrobes, which will be wiped down. Finger marks on all of the kitchen surfaces and kitchen cupboards. I hope the camera is picking up how greasy and dirty they are. We will clean them inside and out. This is the state of the sink and the draining board. Yellow marks from grease everywhere on the surfaces. The sink has brown spots. This is the hob. The white cupboards also have greasy finger marks inside and out. The microwave, you can see the microwave. But the worst bit is the oven. This is the chopping board, which is completely stained. This is the oven. When we clean the oven, this will be spotless. Windows heavily stained with dirt. This is the coffee table full of dust. Bottom and top shelves full of dust, you can see. Underneath, full of dust. We're gonna move everything and clean under the sofa, under the rug, under the coffee table. This is the state of the other table. Just stains everywhere. The phone table full of dust. All artificial flowers are full of dust, lamps full of dust. Otherwise, the view is amazing. You can see all the new offices. You can see the river, you can see the O2. In fact, I'm gonna open the window so you can get a better view. It's a gorgeous sunny day. We have some offices in front of us. And there's the Blackwall approach. Just recording the heavy limescale in flat 1502. Months old limescale on the shower screen. We can just about see the radiator behind. Да. Да.